In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your chart of accounts from accounting into an Excel spreadsheet. This is a skill that's invaluable, especially if you're managing financial data and need to handle it in a versatile format like Excel for further analysis or reporting. So, let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to navigate to the accounting section. Look for the title or tab that says Accounting on your software's dashboard. This is typically where all financial management tools and data are organized. Once you've located the accounting section, click on it to open up a wider range of financial management options. Next, within the accounting section, you need to find the chart of accounts. Now, the chart of accounts is essentially a complete listing of every account in an accounting system. It organizes your financial transactions and is a foundational element for most accounting systems. Look for an option or button labeled Chart of Accounts within this section. Clicking on this will present you with the detailed list of all your accounts, each uniquely identified and categorized. After you've accessed your chart of accounts, your goal here is to export this list into an Excel file. Why Excel? Well, Excel files are highly flexible, allowing you to sort, filter, and perform calculations on your data with ease. Now locate an option that lets you export this information. You should see a button or link titled Export to Excel. This feature is designed for exactly this task, taking your organized accounting data and converting it into a format that's easy to manipulate and share. Click on Export to Excel. A key thing to note here is that, depending on the software you are using, this may open a prompt asking where you'd like to save the file or automatically download it to your default Downloads folder. Make sure you know where the file is saved for easy access later. Once the data is in Excel, it's open to a plethora of possibilities. You can modify the layout, create comparative analysis through charts, or even combine this data with other accounting files for a comprehensive report. One handy tip if you're new to Excel: familiarize yourself with basic functions like sorting, filtering, and using formulas. These skills can really expand your ability to draw meaningful insights from your data. In conclusion, exporting your chart of accounts to Excel is a straightforward yet incredibly powerful process. It gives you control over your financial data, allowing for deeper insights and cleaner reporting. So, next time you need a flexible data format for your accounts, remember this simple, effective process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to let us know if you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, keep those finances in check.